Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you about the searching algorithms. In the previous video, we learned about the algorithm. Okay, today we are going to learn a very basic search algorithm. All right, let's start with the first search algorithm. Sorry. Before we start the searching algorithm, let's talk about searching. What is a searching? All right. So what we are doing is we want to find target. In this example, it's a Python. The target in a given string or even given list or in a big document, right? So this is what we are doing every day. For example, on your Google, you type something to find information, right? So when you type something and then Google search engine help you find the link or page which is correlated to your keyword, right? And then they give you the list of documents that are relevant to your key information. Okay, so that kind of search engine is very common. All right, so like in the PDF, you want to type something, you want to search something, you want to find something in the document that you are reading, you will type the word, the target, and then you will ask the program to search for you. All right, so this is what we do every day. So for the searching, very basic two searching algorithm will be shared in this lecture, right? In this video. So let's start with linear search. What is a linear search? So linear search is very simple. You start to search the target or item, right? Search item in the list that given, and then the match is found. Okay? If the item is found, you tell the person that okay where this word is. All right. So let's start with an example. So here the list is given from 1 to 1, 4, 5, 8, 11, and so, right? The list is given, okay? And then the word that you want to search is a target that you want to search is 70, right? So how does a linear search work? Linear search start to find from the first element. Now we compare 1 and 7, they are not the same. So we will move on to the second item, third item, fourth item, and so on until you find the target. All right. So it's as simple as that. That is the linear search. All right. Okay. Then linear search, is it efficient? Obviously, it is not. All right. That is a very basic and very easy to understand. Okay. So the linear search, the computation time will take longer if your search item is towards the end of your list. If your target item is in the beginning, it will be much faster to find. All right. So another way of searching, okay, is called binary search. All right. So let's see the binary search. Binary search is useful when the list is sorted like a given example just now. But for the linear search, you can use, all right, either sorted or not sorted. Okay. So how does a binary search work? All right. Binary search first split the list into two, and then you search the your target in the divided list. All right. So let's see an example. Okay, like linear search. Now I have a list 1, 4, 5, 8, 11. All right. So in this example, what we want to find is 70. Okay, there's a mistake here. Target is 11, no, target is 70. All right. So if a target is 70, first of all, what we are going to do, given the list, all right, there are 10 elements. So I will split that into two in the first iteration. All right. So we split that into 1, 4, 5, 8, 11, and 15, 21, 45, 70, 100. We split that into two. All right. Then what we do is we compare the target with the last element in the first list. So the last element in the first list is 11. So target 70 is greater than 11. So we will ignore this first list. We will go to the second list. All right. So the second list, we don't do anything. We just split that into two again. Okay. So we have 5 elements. So we split that into 3 and 2. Then in this step, what we do is we check the last element of the first list, which is 45. 70 is still greater than 45, so we will move on to the next list. We will ignore this 50, 21, 45 list, and then we will go to 70 and 100. All right. And then this 70 and 100 will be split into 70 and 100. And then our target is 70. When we check the first set list, we find the target. This is how the binary search work. All right. So obviously, binary search is more efficient than the linear search. Let me remind you again here the target should be 70. I made the mistake in this slide. All right. Thank you very much. I hope this is helpful for you.